friends, I welcome to all of you in today's video. Today I'm going to tell you about Irobot Roomba 692 versus Irobot Roomba 981, which has gained a lot of attention worldwide, especially among the citizens of the United States. In this video, you will get all the important information regarding it, so watch it till end. Don't forget to like and share the video, and please subscribe to our channel. To begin with, I would like to tell you about Irobot Roomba 692 and its features. In our hectic schedule, cleaning our house takes a backseat, but with this robot vacuum cleaner, you have nothing to worry about. The Roomba 692 is a great way to begin cleaning your home smarter. You just have to schedule it to clean up daily dirt, dust, and debris with the Irobot Home app or your voice assistant. It has 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes that grab dirt from carpets and hard floors. It also has an edge sweeping brush that takes care of corners and edges. A full suite of advanced sensors also allow Roomba 692 to navigate under around furniture and along edges. Its cliff detect keeps it from falling downstairs. Its auto-adjust cleaning head automatically adapts its height to effectively clean carpets and hard floors. Apart from that, it runs up for up to 90 minutes before automatically docking and recharging. Friends, before moving to 981 version, I would request you all to like this video and share it with your loved ones and subscribe to our channel, as this will motivate us to make such more informative videos for you. Now let's learn about Irobot Roomba 981. It is the more intelligent big brother of 692 version, which actually maps your floor and plot its cleaning. Its suction power is 10 times powerful than the 692 version. Irobot Roomba 981 have a neat row cleaning pattern, whereas 692 uses algorithms to set up a semi-random pattern. If you have large floors or a lot of square footage, the 981 will vacuum what it can, remember where it left off, and charge itself, then return to the job. It uses high-efficiency filters to capture pet dander and other allergens. Both of them are cost-effective and can save money with different offers available online. If we are going to see the reviews of both of them, the 981 versions have a lot more good recommendations than 692. So guys, this is all for today's video, and I hope it was informative. Also, share your experience on this robotic vacuum cleaners in the comment section below. We read all your comments in our every video, so keep commenting. Please like and share this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do it today. We advise you to be informed and safe. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day ahead.